I'm going to show you in this video how to mount the ZeBoZap on a square post. This post is 6 by 6, so I'm putting on the rubber padding first on the corner of this mount before I put it on. So instead of putting it in the center, what I do here is I put it in the corner of the post, because in a corner, in a square post like this, putting it in the corner makes the grip much more better and it doesn't move. So if you're okay with not putting it in the center, some people do like to put it in the center. I didn't put this in the center because the position of the mount didn't matter to me, but this method works really well. Just putting it in the corner. What I'm doing here is just strapping the top part of the mount, and then putting it in the corner, and you can see that it is right in the corner, and then folding up the strap to the folding it up so I can just insert it and not cutting it off, right? So I'm showing a nearer view of how it's mounted in the corner, a top view, so that you can take a look and do the same thing for your installation. And it's not going to squeeze the sides. Some people are worried about it squeezing the sides of the pillar, the corners of the softwood pillar. It doesn't. It has protectors. It has a pad protector, especially on the side where the buckle is, but if not, it's pretty good. Okay, I'm just finishing off the bottom strap and folding up the strap in for the bottom, and then we're going to click in the the Gazebo TV mount. You don't need any screws. All you need to is here snap it into place, right? And then get your TV, which you have put on the vertical pieces, and just put it on, and then put on the safety screw. You can have a TV in your backyard or in your gazebo. Just strap it on and have a good time. I'm having a barbecue today. I'm making some chicken and vegetables, and it took me 5 minutes to set up the TV at the back. So whenever you have a barbecue, you can do that. Just bring out your TV.